It's up to you if you want to get in a relationship where you want somebody else is equally yoked to one another shit or no one building one another. It's a partnership. It's not a it's not parentship. It's not parenthood. Your partner is supposed to appeal the way for you and be a parent type shit. So all them things that the people are telling online, the Fear 7 them, the Fitex Fearless them, all them people them figure suck them mother, a bare fucker them a telling on your ears. You see, bare foolishness them a telling you. If I'm being real, bro, but you never listen in the first place. But the thing is, with these people, them prep on the younger youths, younger generation. Because there's always gonna be some young boy or young girl that get them heartbroken. I want to change them life, and them end up buck up in a them type of video. Believing that it's gonna be some sort of means for change, when really, you're solely deteriorate and fuck up your own self.
Easy to manipulate and emotionally unstable adults who are also easy to manipulate.